Hello everyone, Steve here with Maysville Fire and EMS. In today's training, we're going to cover how to complete truck checks using the Halligan mobile app. To complete truck checks, first you'll need to download the Halligan app, which can be found in the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. While you can conduct your truck checks prior to entering it into Halligan, the app is designed for entering it when you complete your inspection. To conduct truck checks, begin by opening up the app and then selecting Apparatus. Then select the desired apparatus and then start a new check, NFPA 1911. Now I would like to highlight the fact that I did use the test apparatus, and anyone is welcome to use it if they wanted to gain familiarity with the Halligan software before they conduct their first truck check. Now, as we begin to use the app, there may be things that don't necessarily apply to your apparatus, and you'll also likely identify different things that you'd like to have added. Halligan is customizable, so if you gather up a list, please run them by your station chief for approval, and then through the department chief to make the changes. By the next truck check, you should have the changes effective. Now what's nice is the Halligan software does compartmentalize things, so you're going to work with sections to mitigate the amount of back and forth that you'll need to do. We're going to start by checking the engine oil and the transmission level. In this case it's passed. I'm going to check the engine coolant level, pass, check for the integrity of the frame, the power steering fluid, all good. And then we're going to move on to the outside. Now let's say that we found a fluid leak. In this case, we're going to hit fail, and then we're going to actually record a message of what we saw. Now you do have the option to add an attachment as noted from the bottom text that says added attachment. And you can either take the photo right then or choose an image that you've already taken. Once you're done, hit save and move on through the rest of the checks. Now, as I mentioned before, this is the test apparatus used for training purposes. So there are a lot of truck checks in here that may not necessarily apply to you. For that purpose, I'm just going to go ahead and continue on saying everything passed and move on to the next section. Now, while I'm doing this, I do want to bring your attention to the upper right-hand corner as well that says completed. That's the number of items that you need to complete in order to finish this. Make sure that those numbers actually match when you complete your truck checks to ensure that you don't have a missing component. This particular test truck check has a total of 46 items, so when I'm complete, I should have 46 out of 46. As soon as we've completed our checks, go ahead and hit Submit Report. Are you sure that you want to submit this apparatus check? Yes, I am, so hit Submit. And congratulations, you've just submitted your first truck check. I hope this how-to video helped you better understand how to conduct truck checks using Halligan mobile app. If you enjoyed it, please like the video and I'll continue to keep them coming. Until I see you next time, be safe out there.